Yeah. Portfolio. So we're heading to FARNHILL Bridge. It's bridge number 186. I know several of the people in the area have magnet fished here, and they've actually got, you wouldn't believe it, in a small town and village like this, but they've got grenades, and it's been shut down by the police a couple of times. Look how beautiful, apart from that, this area is absolutely stunning. Right, ready for first cast. This has been done a few times here. Oh, I can feel the silt down there, down that side. Smooth. Oh, it's pulling to us now.
You do like a smooth bottom.
Oh right, we've had that joke once and it wasn't funny then. You lost your ball?
You got something?
Hey, I've got trolley wheel.
Nice.
A little
trolley
wheel.
wheel.
I feel really lucky. There's something magnetic down here. Yeah, it's coming loose all the time. In the meantime, I got myself a piece of twirly twirl.
No way.
You missed my tantrum about the pool.
Ready?
Stay away from the vessel. You're literally doing exactly opposite. If you get poo on your shoe, you're going to be washing it off yourself. And you're walking home. You're not taking care. Please don't. And we're literally on it. Look.
What would you do if I got on the pool right now?
I've been mad at you. Because I've been telling you not to do that.
Not really. That'd be annoying.
Your bubbles come out. Definitely relax.
Yeah. You on it?
Got bubbles coming up.
Where's the grab? Oh, you got the grab?
I've got it behind me.
Okay.
It's a long thing, look.
Yeah. Where's the grab? Should I get it?
Yeah, right.
Not funny.
Oh, look at all the insects and shit.
That's disgusting. Oh my gosh.
That's like an whole ecosystem.
I would put it back in.
Think?
Yeah.
Feel guilty?
Yeah.
I feel guilty too. Let nature do what nature does. Let's not kill anything. Do it a little bit.
can't get it off.
Yeah.
Where there's muck, there's brass. You won't understand that because you're too young.
Where there's muck, there is brass.
Tell you who's not tired? Me, because I slept in a nice foam mattress last night.
You're not tired.
Tread carefully.
Why'd you say that?
Tread carefully.
Tyres.
Tread.
Something heavy down here, magnetically heavy.
I actually cannot wait until holiday.
No.
I think it's going to be easy for me because all I have to do is just... Like this week was so easy.
What do you mean you can't wait till holiday?
Holiday?
You are technically on holiday already.
I know, right? But I mean when we go to...
Yeah.
Big deal.
Nice.
Nailed it.
I'm going to try to drag it.
No idea what it is.
I have no idea what that is. Is it metal?
It was mud. I got mud. I got mud. Hey. Some American YouTube videos. They're always going like, so, hi, well, let's go over there.
Yeah.
It's so annoying.
You should do it like that.
So, what we got here is a grapple hook. Whoa. Right. I don't have the energy for that kind of shit.
No.
Chill. It's meant to be like peaceful and chill, and I'm not presenting a show, I'm just... What? What?
Why did you do that?
I've got no. Take notes. You just check before I set off, but... Should we do it? So, let's just go down there.
What is it? Wowzers!
And now who's really happy? Don't put it in the dog poo though, because I've got an issue. And if it gets poop on it, I just don't want to.
There you go.
That's where the grappling hook does come into good use, because where the magnet's slipping, it's all slimy under there. Just because you've got a 500 kilogram magnet doesn't mean it's going to pick up 500 kilograms. That's why that's an essential piece of everyone's kit, is that. It was only about 13 quid.
We've just pulled this out and it's obviously metallic. It's been in there a while.
Is it just a clump of stuff or what?
It's a clump of iron, but certainly we'll know more when it's dried out what it is. But it could be an end of a railway, you know,
Kind
a
of.
rail track.
Yeah.
You know, when they built the canals, they had old railways next to it to move stuff.
Alright, yeah.
So
Oh.
definitely
Like
good
it.
5-6 kilos there.
Yeah.
Well, that definitely latched on.
Just a nail. Taking a picture.
No, filming.
So I've just pulled this out. It's a fence pole. What is it? A sign pole? Oh no, washing line, isn't it? Washing line pole, but it's a bit too big for our car. and I don't want it in the car because it's a bit so this one we're going to have to leave out here for this scrap man to pick up, which I'm sure they do. I'm sure people do. Don't chuck it over the fence. Oh yeah.
There's all that's coming out.
It's pooing. It's pooing its mucky poo poo.
£50 if you drink that, Lee.
Huh?
Oh God.
£50 if you drink that. Give a little slow.
Throwing the muscles back in.
It's not happy, is it? Not been the most Not been the most successful of trips so far. The rain's not helped. What?
Yeah.
Good. You sure? He thinks he shut the window on the car. He's not 100%.
85%.
85% is a bad figure. But we haven't got quite much either, but obviously we've not been going far. And these parts of the canals have been magnet fished quite a lot as it is. There's Lee, the big ducker. Aren't you, a big ducker?
Quack.
Hey?
Quack, quack.
We're being rained off. We're hiding behind something, under a tree, rained off. Dodgy characters. Yeah.
Yep.
So I've got this metal bar, which you usually find inside cement. A reinforcement bar in it. Leo's got the grappling hook. Grappling hook, a bit mucky hook.
What's mine?
Lee's just.
Mine's 300 or 5.
Yours, that's a 300 because the 500's at home. Being glued. Big winker, aren't you?
I am. I like to wink.
2 winks for the price of one, eh? Sorry, Leo.
I don't get it.
Good. Right, that's Leo having
Can't tell
a.
if it's just the heavy magnet.
You don't know if it's just the heavy magnet. Just get a feel of it. It takes a little while to feel the difference. It's quite sludgy down there, so you get stuck in sludge.
See if I'm on something.
No,
Just the magnet.
you can feel it pull.
Yeah.
I don't know if it's. I don't know sometimes if it's sludge. Just keep a steady pull. If it feels like you get some heavy
Just
resistance.
the first time I got it.
Keep dropping it down so you get a good.
Keep what?
If you feel like you got something, just keep dabbing it down so it just gets a good contact.
Yeah.
It's got rid of it.
It does slide off,
I mean, if it is the magnet, I'm
and then
saying
you get that good contact when you're on.
it's heavier.
Let's see. Did Leo get some sludge? Did he get a magnet? Or did he get something? He got something.
It's the magnet.
He got a leaf and a screw and another screw.
You want a Scotch egg, Lee?
Yes, please.
Scotch egg. Right. So I got this anyway. I got a tyre. Ironic because I'm feeling really tired today, and that's not even a pun. I actually genuinely am not feeling absolutely fantastic today, but always in the mood for a bit of magnet fishing. It's a beautiful morning for June. It's actually not that bad. I'll have a Twizzler. Right, a bit more. There we go. Let them go.
Right, he's going closer though, that's the thing.
I know, you walk away. It's protecting the babies. Are you scared of...
I don't like swans.
Look at the beautiful babies.
The battery run out on this, you reckon?
Not the big things, man.
I don't think so. Unless it has. Unless it has. They're beautiful. Technical difficulties. It's going to take us a while to sort our craft out because...
Pull it in then.
So that's us done. We're heading back. Whilst the weather, I've got a pink, I've got a red nose. He's doing his 3-point turn. Apparently I can't drive because I can't do that. He's turning. He's panicking. Whoa! 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 Right, we're off home. We've finished for the day. We had a bit of a mixed bag.
Definitely the heaviest item.
We did get a heavy item,
so far. That was heavy.
A big chunk of iron mulch or whatever it is.
Yeah.
But yeah, we've mixed bag. Nothing exciting, I'd say. Just bits and bobs, but it's always exciting, isn't it? Bumped into a few people that seem to know of other people in the area who do magnet fishing. Someone who does it themselves, so it's nice to have chats with people about that. Yeah, so we'll go back, let everything dry off, and then we'll have a quick go through. I would say for yourself, nothing now. I'm just going to do a little bit of explaining what we got then. The big bike wheel we've left outside for the scrap man. I did pull a tyre out, but we left that there because what can I do with a tyre? Just put it near a bin. We pulled the massive washing up line, the post for washing up line. Not washing up line, clothes washing line, what am I talking about? That we left that there because that was just too big, so I'm sure someone will take that for scrap. And something else we left, I can't remember what. So there's this thing, what is it? Nobody knows. It's like a big chunk of iron, or cast iron. It's heavy as heavy, although that looks a little bit concretey, so I'm wondering if it's reinforced iron. I haven't a clue, but it's big, isn't it? Lots of pieces of things, nail clippers. I'm gonna go clip some of your nails, Roxy. You ready? Get your nails clipped. What do you think? Yeah, nails clippers. There's a 2p there, and there should be a 10p somewhere else. Lots of bits of bobs. I'm messing around with mucky stuff. Nails. Caps there. They need washing, really. Everything needs washing, slushing out. Lots of nails, screws. These casters, we've got 2 casters, so I'm assuming, well, they were attached to something. Big washer. That's a big washer. Pokey, pokey, pokey. Then we have little Michelle spoon thing. Very pretty, but it's just a spoon. No knives, guns, no bombs. There's a 10p. Is that 10p? Is that 10p? Yeah, I think it is. 10p. And another penny. So we got the priceless sum of 13p, which now takes us up to 20p. When you go magnet fishing, you're not going to be pulling out, you know, grenades and cannonballs and all those kind of things. So, you know, sometimes I say get lucky. I don't know if it's lucky or not. You could do, but you know, you go to have fun. It doesn't matter what you pull out. It's the enjoyment of just having a good go at it really, and it's a hobby. So don't expect to be, I know there'll be a lot of criminals now thinking, crap, you know, we can't throw our stuff into the canal anymore because every bugger's pulling it out. And it's true, you know, there's hundreds of us and it's a community of people, and I think there's enough space in the canals and rivers and everything else for us to all do it, you know. And what the worst thing can happen is that we make the canals and rivers clean, which is a good thing. So that's us for today. Thank you for watching. If you've watched all the way through, if you've enjoyed it, can you please give us a like and let us know so we know that you like it. Pop a comment down, subscribe for more updates. We have lots planned, and we'd love to sort of bring you along on the adventure. We're still novices, we're still learning, so many things to learn along the way, but it's all good fun, and it doesn't matter if it's raining or not, we're still in it to win it. That's so cheesy. So thanks for watching, you take care, and see you next time.